Hi friends, welcome to Spirit Says So Tarot. Leo, your angels have come together to this assembly to provide you with these upcoming messages. So we're going to go ahead and begin with healing with the angels. Spirit, please provide divinely guided messages for the highest good only for our Leo friends. How has 2023 treated them? What may they have to look forward to? Messages for the highest good only, please, from all of Leo's angels, spirit guides, and the archangels. This one wants to show itself. Right there. All right. Friendship. Beautiful. I love the teal color. The teal colors are really coming out in these readings. And of course, teal is about spiritual grounding. I love it. Okay, so this is about friendship, Leo. Spirit, please continue to provide these divinely guided messages for the highest good only for our darling Leo friends. What do they need to know? What do they need to hear from their collective angels? No? Okay. All right. Polar bear, mystic. Know that challenges make you stronger. Have faith when you face adversity. Take time to rest. Dream and renew your strength. Embrace your psychic abilities. You carry the shaman within. Polar bear. Of course, bears are leaders. And Leos are very confident, typically. Also very loyal and protective. Spirit, please continue to provide these divinely guided messages for Leo about friendship and mystic. Are some of our Leo friends perhaps reaching out regarding their abilities and obtaining new friendship through this part of their journey? Or are their friends aware of the mystic abilities that Leo has? Leo is not one to really draw too much attention to themselves. Spirit, please tell me a little bit about our Leo darlings. Wheel of Fortune. Okay, Cancer just started out with the Wheel of Fortune as well. So, of course, Wheel of Fortune. Now, Leos, you are one of the luckier zodiacs along with Sagittarius. Thank you very much. With the Wheel of Fortune, you've got 10, so something could be closing and you may find yourself with the opportunity of a new beginning. Opportunity is very strong in the energy here. So this is not necessarily so much about how lucky you are, darling Leos, but it is about prideful choices that you've made. Very interesting. Okay. And of course, the wheel is representing fire signs, which is very fitting, Leo. Queen of Cups. All right. I feel like you are somebody that has a very strong understanding about relationships. You are someone that counsels others, whether professionally or personally. I feel like you are actually someone who helps others with, again, you counsel. So what you do helps others with their wheel of fortune. You don't tell people what they should do. You don't persuade people. Again, counsel. Your angels are just, you're a counselor. You guide people. We have the Queen of Wands. All right. So you definitely are somebody who is very mature in your ways. You're very experienced. You're very creative and enthusiastic about what you do. You're at peace with yourself most of the time. People do gravitate towards you because you do have a certain warmth about you. And again, you're very energetic and enthusiastic. I feel like you do have a lot of friends in your courtship. We have the Sun at the bottom of the deck. I did not deal this, but it does show your personality. And of course the Sun, hello, Leo all the way, right? Spirit, can you tell us a little bit more about the polar bear and mystic and the connection it has with friendship? Know that challenges make you stronger. Have faith. I feel like that is something that perhaps you are a shaman, or you are seeking advice from a shaman. You could be friends with a shaman. The Fool. I feel like you shed light upon the naive. Again, you counsel. You counsel those who need guidance through their life journey. The young ones. Perhaps those who just have some challenges in their life that does require some TLC. Seven of Wands. I feel like that is keeping the fools at bay and kind of guarding them before proceeding. You give them information. You definitely are some sort of a mentor or counselor. Perhaps you just have people that look up to you. You're an inspiration to your friends. You're very admired. Judgment. So with Judgment, it's very much about reflecting on the path that has been taken, the good or not, that those choices throughout the path that you've taken, or the choices through the path, excuse me, the choices that have been made up until this point, you're reflecting upon, determining what good came of those actions or decisions, those choices, and then determining what changes may need to take place so you can either continue to do very well, or if you haven't done as well as you'd like, what you need to change to get to what it is that you want. And this is a message for you directly, Leo, but it is also a message that you convey to those that seek guidance from you. I feel like you're at a time in your life where you just kind of need to keep everybody at bay. You've got the Nine of Wands here. And, you know, you're all about joy and having fun. But I feel like you kind of need a break. As the Queen or King, take it how it resonates. But as the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Wands, you definitely need your little naps. I feel, with that said, that you're empathetic and like, my husband is a Leo and he's not empathetic. So I don't want to say stereotypically Leos are not empathetic. That would probably be very wrong for me to say that. But the Leos in my life, and I have a few, are not. But I feel that you are. Those that have been drawn to this reading, your energy is coming through. You're very spiritual, and you do feel what other people feel around you. And that is part of the reason why you find yourself guiding them, because you are experiencing what they are. So we have, this is so silly. Very cute. But we have the Nine of Swords here. Or excuse me, the Four of Swords. My apologies, not the Nine. I don't know what I'm thinking. And I don't edit, I don't script. I just misread that. My apologies. But it's the Four of Swords. So this is a time that you are resting. Again, I said that you needed, this is a time that you do need some rest. That is coming out. So Spirit is saying that in your near future, it would behoove you to take that rest when you have the opportunity to rejuvenate, revitalize. These are all words coming in from your guides. They're saying it's time for you, boo. So we have the Seven of Wands. I feel that at this point, your angels and spirit guides feel like you are at a point in your life where you feel like you're just tired of reasoning with other people. You're tired of drama. That's coming in. That is connected to friendship. I feel like there's some people within your network that are very dramatic, and you're getting tired of messing with them. So others around you, you've got love on the brain. The Queen of Cups here, you're keeping your emotions to yourself. And that's part of the reason why you're exhausted from everybody else's drama, is that you internally have your own drama. You are either focused on your lover, or your lover feels that you are not focused enough on them. But either way, you yourself, Leo, you are tired of focusing on other people's drama, and you want to get to your own relationship. Again, I don't know if you do it professionally or personally, but you are people's go-to when they're feeling down, when they're having any kind of emotional upheavals. And I say upheavals because, again, drama is coming in. You're either getting overworked, or you're just taking in too many negative energies from those around you who rely upon you as a sounding board and a counselor to give them guidance. And you just want to get back to your own. And again, this could be because this position is other people's perspective of you. We have the Knight of Wands. So there could be a message coming in soon, or perhaps a message going out soon. And it is about your motivation and your drive, with it being the Wands here. But again, this position is how others perceive you. So this very well could be your lover, your love interest, your partner in life, your soulmate, the person that you're supposed to be committed to just came in with a little bit of an attitude. But this is also, I feel, connected with your own perspective as to your just, with the Seven of Wands here, I just really feel like you're getting bored and tired of taking on other people's, you just want to rest from other people's woes and drama. Drama keeps coming in. Angels are saying you're taking on too much drama, Leo. And now that is one thing I know my husband is not about. He is not about drama at all. We have the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, that's all you really want. But you don't want to do it alone. So that's not to say that you want to be alone. But you want time with your with your lover, with your companion. So you want the Nine of Pentacles with your companion. You want it as you so deserve. So again, the Nine of Pentacles is usually about being independent and having all that you really need, that you don't need anybody else. But this is really about, you want your personal time with your companion, your lover, your partner, your soulmate. It could be just the closest of your friends. You want to break from being the shaman. You want to break from being the counselor. You want to enjoy your life. This is Desert Rose, I feel very drawn to show this to you. I haven't done this in my other readings, but it's absolutely beautiful. And it does cleanse the energies as they are coming in. Spirit, can we get a closing message for our darling Leos regarding the friendships that they have, the counseling that they do for others, their own emotions, their mysticism, mystic abilities? Okay, thank you. And I appreciate angels not kicking this card on the floor. We have 18, the moon, Archangel Haniel. If I said that correctly, if I did not, I apologize. The opportunity to improve your plans. Listen to your intuition. Yes, Leo. For accurate guidance. See, you got to listen to yourself. You need that Four of Swords, that downtime. Face your fears and grow stronger. You definitely need that time to revitalize, to rejuvenate. Again, take time to rest, dream, and renew your strength. Definitely. Now, the moon is a very, the moon represents, now not only is the moon the Cancer, the sign for Cancer, okay, or the planet for Cancer, but the moon card has very strong Pisces energy. With that said, Pisces is one of the most empathetic of the zodiacs. That would explain why I am getting that you are an empathetic Leo. This is spirits and your angel's way of validating. They're validating your spirituality. The mystic Leo. Alright, so don't take on too much from your friends. Maybe you need to weed out the most dramatic. Or at very least, give yourself a break. Do focus on the love of your life. Leos, if this resonates with you, I certainly do hope that you take the time to rest. I hope that you find what it is that you are looking for. If this did not resonate with you, that certainly is okay. Please feel free to check out one of my other readings. I will be coming out with a pick a card reading very soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Please hit that like button for me. I need all the likes that I can get. For some reason, people just aren't hitting it. Subscribe if you haven't already. To my returning subscribers, thank you so very much for your continued support. Without you, my channel would not continue to grow. And it is growing steadily. Thank you so very much. Until next reading, my Leos, stay fabulous. Bye.